Hi everyone, it's Yvonne here from Calabria Property Services. If living in a country property with stunning views of the coastline is your idea of paradise, then this property could be for you. It's located in the Commune of Belmonte Calabro, in the hamlet of Santa Barbara, which is approximately 50 minutes drive north of Lamezia Airport. And from its elevated position, it benefits from stunning views of the coastline and of the mountains. It's actually part of a larger structure and it's the centre part of the building. It's made up of 3 floors. On the ground floor is the kitchen with a bathroom and utility area, and the upper floors have 2 bedrooms on them, both of which have access onto the balconies. The middle floor has a large terrace from where you can enjoy those stunning sea views, whereas the upper level has a balcony. The property does require some renovation and modernisation work, but it is actually used in the summer months by the current owners, so it is in a habitable condition. So if peace and tranquility is what you're looking for, then this property could be for you. Please don't hesitate to get in touch.